It's all here. Oh my gosh, there's a delivery person outside. I'm hiding. I guess that's what I get for trying to film in a different location of my house. In case you didn't know, William, Sonoma, and Dolly Parton have partnered to produce a line of Christmas items. A few weeks ago, I think about 6 weeks ago actually, I posted on my community tab that I had ordered these items and would you like to see an unboxing? And I got a positive response. So finally, and I say finally because it took that whole 6 weeks, oh my gosh, this is what we have. I can't say I love this amount of packaging considering the items I ordered, but I am excited to open all of them and see how everything looks in person. I know that there was a line, oh gosh, something's falling. There was a line back in 2020 as well that included some other items, and they have since released a set of cookie cutters that I did not get. So when my husband and I ordered all of this, they weren't available, and that's kind of a bummer. I still don't know if I'm gonna get them though, because there's a little bit of overlap in some of the cookie cutters I already have. So with that, let's get ready to do some unboxing. Might as well start with this one since it fell off the top of the stack. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's very heavy as well. I love a spatula. I have a bunch, but I use all of them truly. I mean, I think they're such handy tools to have in the kitchen. Every shape and size has its own purpose. This one is just like beautiful. So it has a guitar on the back with a butterfly, of course, because that's like kind of Dolly's signature. And then, oh, I think you're gonna love this. On the other side, it said, "It's hard to be a diamond in a rhinestone world." It's a line from one of her songs. I think it's a pretty famous saying of hers. I've seen it like printed on a lot of merch. I will say, like, this handle is stout. Like, it is heavy. Usually I have spatulas that are all made of silicone or they have like wooden handles or something, and this is like hefty. It is a silicone spatula. It's heat resistant, stainless steel handle, electroplated, and a brushed gold tone finish. So it is really pretty, and it does say William Sonoma on it. It's a big spatula too. This is one that I would probably use if I'm making like muffins or some sort of batter that I need to like scoop into the bottom of the bowl. Like, this is a good one to do that because it's got a really sturdy handle and like a very large like head to it. This is really fun. Like, I want to use it, but also like I don't want any of this to like wear off or anything. So we'll see how much I use it. This one is like not exactly holiday themed either. I think anybody who's like a Dolly fan would love this at any time of year, really. Let's just work our way down. This feels soft. I'm suspecting an apron maybe. Oh, I should probably black out my address on these, huh? I didn't even think of that. We'll see if I can do that in post. Okay, I was right. This is an apron and it's in this packaging. It's looking festive already. And you can bet that I'm gonna be wearing this for my Christmas content in my videos. Oh, this is nice. This is actually a very nice apron. It has like an adjustable neck to it. So it's got the 2 rings that you can kind of like wrap around, and then depending on like what your size is. It's lined as well, which is not what I expected. That's kind of cool. It's like this nice canvas material on the outside. This is better than I expected. Not the most flattering angle, but I kind of don't care. So you can see that it's this like patchwork design. When I saw it on the website, I was like, that is 100% just like printed patchwork on canvas. It's not actually sewn together. But no, it is patches, like pieces of fabric that have been stitched together and then cut out for an apron. So it kind of like harkens back to her like coat of many colors song where, you know, her mother, I think, has patched together old fabrics to make her a coat for the winter because they don't have a lot of money to buy one. So this is the adult apron. They do make a child's apron as well. So you could be matchy-matchy if you have kids or grandkids or something like that. This is 100% cotton. The cotton itself is very heavy on the outside. And then, like I said, it has like a white lining, which I don't see that a lot on aprons. So that's kind of nice. Does it have pockets? No, it doesn't have any pockets. That's like maybe one downside. I don't need to put a lot of stuff in a pocket. Sometimes like if I'm cooking or baking or filming or whatever, I'll put my phone or something in that front pocket, but it's not absolutely necessary. It has a little hang tag on it that I'll read. Make this season bright with our festive apron from the legendary Dolly Parton, America's beloved musical icon and multiple award winner. Inspired by her song, Coat of Many Colors, which is what I said, which celebrates a patchwork coat Dolly's mom made for her as a child. This colorful cotton apron brings home the heart of the holidays. For the quality of this apron, I would say the price was not bad. It was about $40. I feel like this, especially because I'll use this at the holidays and I will probably pack it away with my holiday decor and just use it a few months out of the year. I think this is gonna last a long time. If you have kids, it might be something that you can get, you know, get one for you, get one for them in the little child size, and like even pass this on. I think this could become kind of an heirloom piece in your family. I'm pleased with this. I'm excited to wear this in my videos. And we got another envelope. All right, so we have the matching oven mitt and hot pad for the apron. Do you have special things in the kitchen that you only use at holiday time, like Christmas themed aprons, hot mitts, dish towels, that kind of thing? I have a few here and there, and I'd love to know if you do too. This is the same fabric as the apron. It's that patchwork fabric. This is very like thick and insulated. I'm curious to know, especially if anybody out there already has these items, do they all look like this? It's like a patchwork fabric, which means like if you just cut into it, it could potentially have a different look to each and every item, or are they all uniform, like the green patches here and the red and white patches up here, that kind of thing? These are the things I'm wondering about. It has a nice hanging loop too, so if you have hooks or something that you like to hang these kinds of items on, you can do that. And then we do have a hot pad. I think you can use it, yeah, it's got like a little pouch in it that's also insulated, if you can see. So you can kind of grab things with that as well. For day-to-day use, I love my UGG gloves. Like I use those all the time, but these are fun. And you could use this to like set like a heavy pan or a pot or something on your, if you're having a meal and you don't want to mess up your table or counter or something. But yeah, very thick, like very nice quality for what it is. Came with another little hang tag. It's, you know, of course I ruined it already, but this is like, it comes wrapped in like a red ribbon, so it would be a really nice gift. This set is about $40 as well. It's the same like text as the other hang tag. So we have our oven mitt and pot holder, and then the matching apron, which is, I think would make an excellent gift for someone. Okay, and now, oh my goodness, we move on to the boxes. So I have 2 boxes. So let's start here. How do I open this? I brought like a utility knife to try to cut these things open, but I guess you just pry off the lid. Whoa, oh my, okay. There's a lot happening in this one. I'm gonna do this one first because it's open. I mean, the box came open, the actual packaging inside is fine and sealed. We have Holly Dolly sugar cookie mix. Makes 24 cookies, just add butter and an egg. So you can make these into cutout cookies with cookie cutters. Actually, I mentioned the cookie cutter set earlier, and it comes with a package of this mix with the cutters, which I'm still a little bit bummed that they didn't have that when we first ordered these. I don't know if it's because we ordered so early or what. I mean, I'm glad we ordered early because it took a really long time for all of these things to get here. It says Holly Dolly sugar cookie recipe on the back. So it's got like different variations of what you can do with this mix. So this is just the cutout cookies. You need butter, cookie mix, and an egg. You can do drop cookies as well. You can make some variations with like peanut butter, oatmeal, chocolate chip, that kind of thing. I think the packaging is like the main feature here. It's got like, you know, this great sketch of her face with a wreath and some holly and stuff on it. I think I'm gonna save this box and use it to decorate every year. Is that weird? Does anybody think that's weird? This mix is best before March of 2024. So I have a long time to use it. I think the main thing that I wanted from this product is the box, just because of like the way it looks. So it comes in 2 packets, which is nice because each of these packets will make 12 cookies. So if you just want to make half of it, you can, and like this is still sealed. It says, bake Dolly Parton's favorite holiday cookies at home. Customize your treats with Dolly's signature variations. So I went over a little bit of those on the back. The side says, Dolly Parton sugar cookie mix. Make the holidays merry and bright with our sugar cookie mix from the legendary Dolly Parton. We know she's an American musical icon, multiple award winner, and all-star baker. So you may not have known that. I know that she loves to cook and bake. Inspired by Dolly's favorite cookie recipe, it combines natural ingredients with lots of love. I haven't tasted these. If anybody out there has this cookie mix and has tasted them, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Okay. And we have another little box in the big box. I actually get to use my utility knife on this one. I know this is a mug already. I mean, none of this was exactly a surprise. My husband and I ordered it. We went to an actual brick and mortar Williams Sonoma store to try to get the advent calendar, and they, at the time, were not carrying any of these items in store, which is kind of why we decided to order them. And okay, I have to show you this cute little thing. I don't know if this is what the purpose of this part of the packaging is, but I kind of love it. So you open this up, I'm gonna hold that in place, and you could see the little butterfly on the handle like peeking out. And butterflies are kind of like one of Dolly's signatures. Like if you look at the Dollywood logo, it's got a butterfly for like the W in the wood, and she has, you know, songs about butterflies, that kind of thing. I just love that. Oh, this is a very cute mug. This is a very cute mug. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think a lot of you are gonna love this. So I'm not gonna show you what it says just yet, but it's got the pink handle and the little butterfly on the handle. And then it's got this at the bottom. So it's like a pink stripe with gold polka dots at the bottom. But then the saying on it says, "Find out who you are and do it on purpose." And then it has Dolly's signature. So that's another quote from her that is famous. This is a very nice mug. It's very heavy, it's large. So if you are a coffee or tea drinker and you like to drink a lot all at once, like this would be a great, great thing for you. Or again, it would make a really nice gift. On the bottom, it says Williams, Sonoma, and Dolly. It is microwavable and dishwasher safe. I will not be putting this in the dishwasher. I'm always very cautious about things that I love. I mean, it's probably very durable, especially if it says that it's dishwasher safe. I really don't want any of this to wear off. Do I even want to use it as like a mug? Maybe I'll use it to hold something, or I'll put it in my office or something like that. Because typically I drink out of much smaller, if you've seen some of my vintage mugs that are on like a pedestal and stuff, I drink out of like much smaller mugs than this. But I really think this is a really beautiful, this is a really nice mug. I love like the metallic details on it as well. So a lot of these things, you know, there are a few like holiday themed items, but stuff like the mug and the spatula, like those you could just get, and they're not like so Christmas themed that you wouldn't want to use them at other times of year. You could use this all the time if you wanted to. Oh, this actually does come in 2 different colors. I didn't realize. Oh no, it comes in 2 different colors and 2 different sayings. So I have the pink one that says, "Find out who you are and do it on purpose." And then there's also a yellow one that says, "It's hard to be a diamond in a rhinestone world," just like the spatula. It says it's not available to ship to the designated zip code. Well, I have one, so there. You can buy them in a set of 2 as well. I got the one. The one mug was $16.95. We have one more box, and I think it's just one more item. This is like what we went for in the first place, and that is the Holly Dolly Advent Calendar. I mean, you know how Advent calendars work. It's a countdown to Christmas, so I can't even really start this until December 1st, but it's got her face on it just like the box from the sugar cookie mix. I would definitely consider eating the chocolate this year and saving it. Just using it. Like, I think it's so pretty. It says it includes 24 individually wrapped confections. So I said chocolate. I don't know if it's all chocolate. It does come with instructions on how to use an advent calendar if you don't know. I mean, I'm assuming that like most people know, but like I probably shouldn't do that because I know a lot of people don't celebrate Christmas. So we'll just read the instructions. It says, on December 1st, lift up the tab on the window marked 1 and discover your sweet surprise. Continue lifting tabs whose numbers correspond to the date all the way to Christmas Eve. To remove each day's treat, just press gently on the edge of the window and pull back, and it says happy holidays with lots of love from Dolly. It does give a little bit of a hint on the back here of what you're going to be getting. So if you want to be surprised, like don't look at that, but it had to include, of course, like nutrition information for each item. So it does look like I'm going to be getting a lot of different types of things, not just chocolate. This was like the main reason that we were even kind of like looking into this collection. Like we just wanted the advent calendar at first, but then it turned out to be like an entire line of things. So we had to get some more of the items. Still on the fence about those cookie cutters. I don't know if I'm going to get them because it just comes with like more of the sugar cookie mix. I wish you could buy the cookie cutters like individually or something, because then you could just kind of choose the ones you want. It does give a better description and it lists exactly like the candies that you're going to be getting. I'll skip that part if you want to be surprised. For country music legend Dolly Parton, the holiday season is all about faith, fun, food, and family, with plenty of sweet surprises for everyone. This year, Dolly brings home festive magic with her signature advent calendar. Every day from the 1st of December until the night before Christmas, you'll discover a different treat hidden behind a calendar window. It is wrapped up in plastic, so it is sealed. Let me see if I can get a little bit more detail about this for you. Yes, this is a bestseller. Ooh, this is on clearance right now for $26.99. I would say rush and get this because it took a very long time for this to arrive. And if you want to get this by December 1st, like, I mean, I don't know that you would get it exactly in December 1st. So, you know, you could try, maybe you get it a few days in and then you get to eat more than one treat in one day. But. So let's see what we have here. Advent calendar, sugar cookie mix. Whoa. These two things kind of match. So this would be like a good little fun match set. To recap, again, we've got the hot mitt set, and that matches the apron that is upside down. So again, like this is kind of a nice little set here. And then we have 2 items that are not Christmas themed. The spatula with this mug, because they both have the same saying and they've got like the gold detail on them. I think that would make a really, really nice gift for someone, but I'm keeping them. They're a gift for me. If you want to order these items, I'd say jump on it. I don't know if maybe they have more in stock now that it's a little closer to Christmas. These items actually did take probably 6 weeks to get all of them. I don't really remember what the first one was. I think maybe the advent calendar showed up first, but I didn't get the last item until a few days ago. Full disclosure, it's the day after Thanksgiving when I'm filming this, and I didn't get the spatula until I think Wednesday. So, I mean, it took some time. You might want to check on shipping if you're hoping to get these by Christmas. Just kind of like see if you can get an idea of like how long it's actually going to take. Again, I'm not like super excited about the number of boxes that it came in. And it might just be because they didn't have a ton of stock and they had to pull from like different places. I don't know. That's definitely in an area that I think they could do a little bit better on. But anyway, I'm thrilled. Like I'm thrilled with all of these items. Price-wise, it's Williams-Sonoma. Things are going to be a little bit more expensive, but I would say that these items are very special. You're not just going to walk in somewhere and get a spatula that says this on it. If you have like a hardcore fan in your life, friend, family, whatever, like I think they would be thrilled to receive this. They may have already bought the spatula for themselves, so you might want to check. They feel like very high quality items. If Dolly is someone that you love and enjoy, like I think it is worth the price. Would you like me to do more unboxing videos? I don't buy a ton of stuff, but when I do, maybe it's something that you would be interested in seeing, specifically something that pertains to my channel. I'm not gonna just like be like, here's my Walgreens order, here's my Target order. Just let me know. Like if you want to see me do more of these, I don't know how interesting they are for people, but you know, I think it's kind of fun to share things, especially like this, that I'm like really excited about, and potentially it's something that you might want to purchase for yourself or for another person for Christmas. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos about food, vintage cookbooks, and retro recipes most of the time, every single week. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.